You might think you need a video, but we all know the truth is you really need more clicks, leads, or sales. Well, I understand this. That's why when I start a video project, first I'll look at your company, research your niche, and find out what angles are working. I'll be thinking about which platform is going to get the best results, which dimensions the video should be, and then I'll get working on your script. I don't even touch the video until we have a converting script that's going to tell your message the best way possible. See, a lot of editors will just use a template and make you something pretty, but I'm going to be working on getting your business results, which means I need to understand your company and speak your language. So you might be thinking, who the heck is this guy? And that's totally fair. My name is Ryan, and in the past few years I've become a go-to freelance video creator because each video I create is geared towards getting results. That's how we got Craig a 10x ROAS running his jiu-jitsu competition. That's how I doubled Alex's sweet shop ROAS in a single video, and it's how I've got hundreds of 5-star reviews. So if you've got a product to demonstrate or a story to tell, don't waste your time on amateurs and drop me a message today and let's get to work.